This week's travel news update. Aviation safety remains high despite recent incidents. Recent plane crashes have raised concerns among travelers, but aviation experts emphasize that these events are anomalies and not indicative of a declining safety trend. Experts from institutions like MIT and Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University highlight that air travel continues to be exceptionally safe, with historically low accident rates. Advancements in pilot training, safety technologies, and stringent regulations contribute to this safety record. Passengers are encouraged to stay informed but reassured that flying remains one of the safest modes of transportation. The White Lotus Season 3 to feature Thailand's luxurious resorts. HBO's acclaimed series The White Lotus is set to film its third season in Thailand, with the Four Seasons resort Koh Samui as a likely primary location. This resort, known for its opulent amenities and stunning sea views, offers accommodations ranging from £1,400 to £7,000 per night. Filming will also take place in Phuket and Bangkok, showcasing Thailand's picturesque landscapes. The series' previous seasons have significantly boosted tourism in their respective locations, and Thailand's tourism industry anticipates a similar surge in interest. Accor CEO has expressed concerns about opening new hotels in Mykonos, Greece, due to the increasing risks associated with climate change. The company is evaluating the sustainability and long-term viability of developments in areas susceptible to environmental challenges. This stance reflects a growing trend in the hospitality industry to consider climate impacts in expansion strategies. British Airways enhances lounge experience in Seattle. British Airways has unveiled a comprehensive overhaul of its lounge at Seattle-Tacoma International Airport. The upgraded lounge offers enhanced amenities and a refreshed design to improve the passenger experience. This renovation is part of the airline's broader initiative to modernize its facilities and services across various locations.